Hi, this is Tamir from Taddy Brothers, and in this video I'm going to give you a better understanding of how our Wi-Fi multi-camera system works. Wi-Fi means that it'll broadcast to your mobile phone, either Android or iOS. Before you get started, I just want to let you guys give you one pointer here that you want to bench test everything before you install it. It'll give you a better understanding of how the system works. It'll make the installation cleaner and quicker. So here, let's get started with this thing. What we have here is we have 4 cameras feeding into a multiplexer control box, pushing its signal to the Wi-Fi adapter, broadcasting it to your phone. Again, iOS, Android is fine, tablet is also fine, all that works the same. So right here you see we have 4 cameras, 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras right here. They're all wired to the inputs here, the 4 channels. You got channel 1, 2, 3, and 4. That box right here is in quad mode, and it pushes the signal to the Wi-Fi adapter that will push the picture right here to the, this time we're using an iOS phone, an iPhone. This is an old one too, so it works great. Beyond that, what you want to know is that if you want it to go wireless, you can do that as well, because what you're going to do is you're going to connect the camera. So I have a camera right here, and it's going to feed into this transmitter. Right, that's what the camera is connected right here from that, right? You see the 2 wires going from one to the other, right? And then there, we're going to end up connecting the receiver to where the camera was connected. So right now we have this license plate camera here. I'm going to just simply disconnect it, all right, like this. And I'm just going to plug it into the receiver. A second, you see that? Now it's off, so it's not going to show you an image, but I just want you to understand the concept of how it works. So now you have the camera connected to a transmitter. This is the receiver that, if you follow this cable, will plug right into the channel right here, and that's the image that you're going to see on the iPhone. Let me plug this back in real quick for you guys. Now keep in mind that when you're using the system, you'll see on your iPhone whatever is hooked up, whatever mode the multiplexer is on. So right now we're in quad mode, which shows you all the cameras at once. But if you want to see camera 1, you can do that. 2, 3, 4, and then we can whip right back over to the quad right there, and you're going to see them all at the same time. That's the general concept of how this system works. Beyond that, there really isn't much to it. What you want to do is you want to follow the instructions for the individual camera that you have of how to set it up. But instead of plugging the camera into a monitor, you're plugging it into the input of one of these control boxes. And it's marked nicely here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's very easy to do. Also, you could always contact us at 866-966-5550, extension number 2. Or you could also email us at help@TadiBrothers.com. That's help@TadiBrothers.com. If you've already purchased from us, I hope this video helps. If you're still shopping, pop over to TadiBrothers.com and give us a try. I think you'll be very happy with this system. It's very reliable. Once again, when you get it, try it out. Bench test it before you install it. Otherwise, have a great day, and we appreciate your business.